So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Web Studios. So viewers, in this video I am here with a new script of binary trading website. You can see the amazing look of this site, and in this video I will completely guide you about this site, about the user panel and admin panel too. So viewers, if you want to buy, do contact us on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is in description. We will provide you each and every kind of website. We will provide you complete support from installation to delivery time and completely free that nobody can provide from the market. So viewers, for further details, you can directly contact us on WhatsApp and watch the video till the end. If you are looking for binary trading website, this is the right video for you. So without wasting much more time, let's start this video. So viewers, here you can see the amazing look of this site and the home page of this site. You can see here is the total balance of this site, and here you can see here is the deposit option, here is the withdraw option, here is the transfer option, and here is the more option. So viewers, one by one we will visit each and every option. So let's move toward the deposit option. Viewers, viewers, here you can see in deposit option, here user will enter the Bitcoin manual, and here bank transfer, and here is the QR code, and here by entering the amount by clicking here on the submit deposit request. Deposit request will be submitted. So let's move toward the next section, that is the withdraw. So viewers, here you can see this is the withdraw section. Here are the assets BTC, Ethereum and USDT. So viewers, here are the networks, and here are the wallet address. If you will enter, user will enter here, user will enter the amount, and by clicking here on the withdraw, withdraw request will be submitted. So viewers, here by clicking here, you can see this is transfer option. So let's move to this option. Here you can see transfer is coming soon in the crypto demo. So viewers, let's move to the next option, that is more. More is coming soon in the crypto demo. So viewers, here you can see BTC, USDT, and here rise option, here is the fall option, and here are all the markets. You can see each and everything in clear, user friendly. So viewers, let's move toward the next section, that is the trade. So viewers, here you can see here are the trade, and you can manage the trade by clicking here on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. You can set it by, user can set it for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, and you can see the live trade right here. Here you can see here is the rise and here is the fall option. So viewers, let's move toward the, here is the investment amount, and expire time, here is expire time, and let's move toward the next section, that is logs. So viewers, here you can see all the records, here are all the wins. By clicking here, user can see all the losses. By clicking here, user can see all the active. So viewers, let's move toward the next section, that is the team. So here invite and earn, by clicking here, here is your referral code, and here referral link and referral levels, and here is the earned amount. User can see his earned amount and referral too. So let's move toward the next section, that is the assets. Here is the assets, and your assets, user assets can be unseen by clicking here on this option. It can be hide, total assets can be hide, and which can be visible by clicking here. So here is the deposit and withdraw option. Here is my assets. All the assets are here right now. You can see. So viewers, it was all about the user panel. So viewers, if you want to buy, do contact us on WhatsApp. We will provide you each and every kind of website with reasonable prices. So let's move toward the admin panel. This website is totally controllable from the admin panel, and admin can control each and everything, withdraw, deposits, each and everything, trade, loss, wins, each and everything can be controllable from the admin panel. So admin can control each and everything. So viewers, let's move to that, to the admin panel. So viewers, this is the user panel, admin panel of this site. So viewers, here you can see the dashboard. Here is the total users amount. Here is the active trades amount. Here is the custody, and here is the house. And here is the pending deposits. Here is the pending withdrawals. Here is the was in review. Here is the open tickets. So viewers, here you can see all the recent admin activities. Here is action, like here is the entity, role, reasons, and when, date and time. So where it's here you can see the action deposit review, and here entity deposits, here user admin, and you can see each and everything. Role of user, entity, action, reason, and when is also you can see the time and date too. So viewers, let's move toward the user section. So here you can see admin can see all the users, admin can active, admin can suspend the user. You can see each and everything. Admin can control the user, like admin can active the user, admin can suspend the user too by clicking here on suspend option. You can see as many as users admin can add right here as you want. Let's move toward the next section, that is finance. So viewers, here you can see the deposit request. Admin can settle it and can complete it. All its status will be shown right here. Can accept and reject it too. So viewers, let's move toward the next section, that is gateways. Here are the gateways. You can see new gateway can be created by clicking here on the new gateway option, and here are the you can add as many as gateway you want from the admin panel without any knowledge of coding. So viewers, let's move toward the next section, that is trade. Admin can control all the trades too. Admin can control the trades too. You can see from here admin can control them. All trades are here, active are here, settled are here, cancelled are here, won are here, lost are here, is here, and refunded is here. You can admin can search the user by clicking here, and here are all the pairs. Here is day and time, and you can see each and everything is clear. So viewers, let's move to the next section, that is a compliance. Identity verification query, and here is the audit trail. You can see. So viewers, let's move to the next section, that is support. So here is the support ticket. I can't withdraw here. Open, admin can sign me, and can accept and reject. So viewers, let's move toward the next section, that is trading. So viewers, here you can see all the trading status. Here you can see the active markets. Here you can see the active trades, logged in trades, and trades today, and here you can see the volume trade, and here you can see the last price update, and here you can see the last settlement. So viewers, here you can see you can manage each and everything by clicking here. Here you can see all the global trading control. Yes, here you will enter here the global minute stack, and here is the minimum stack, global minimum stack, and here you can select the global maximum stacks, and here default payout. It is totally controllable from the admin panel. Admin can control each and everything. So viewers, here you can see you can expired duration will be listed here, and by clicking here on the save global limits, global limit will be saved. So viewers, here you can see outcome policy record a new version, like here output policy can be managed from the admin panel. Admin can manage the output policy too by writing here selecting here the win percentage, by selecting here the loss percentage, by selecting here the refund percentage. Admin can control this site, all the trades, and here you can see each and everything is controllable from the admin panel. Admin can control all the trades, all the win, loss, each and everything. So where's here you can see Here is the status, scope, and here is the effective from. And here you can see record policy version, and here is the active outcome policy. So where's here these trades can be market control, markets will be controlled from here. So here you can save it or disable it too, and you can add as many as markets you want and can save or disable too all the markets. So where's let's move toward the next section, that is market. Market is also controllable from the admin panel. Here is the default payout, here is the strike range, here is the market status, and here is the maintenance mode. So where say you can see all the new pairs. New pairs will be added by clicking here on this option, and new pairs will be added. Means admin can add new pairs too by clicking here on the new pair option. So let's move toward the next section, that is settings. So where's here you can see all the settings. Site name, you can change the site name. Here you can change logo. Here you can change each and everything. Email, each and everything will be changed from the admin panel without any knowledge of coding. So where's it was all about the admin panel. So where's here you can see admin can save the settings. New settings can save by clicking here on the save setting, and can change the site name. Each and everything will be changed from here. So whereas it was all about the user panel, admin panel. So whereas it was all about the admin panel, you can see each and everything is controllable from the admin panel. So whereas if you want to buy, do contact us on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is in description. We will provide you complete support from installation to the lifetime. So you can trust us and can contact us. We will provide you with reasonable prices. So viewers, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe it too, and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.